Tired of the Wild West of coding in your GitHub organization? Let's tame that code chaos by setting up rules to enforce coding standards and boost collaboration. First, navigate to your GitHub organization's homepage. You'll need owner or administrator privileges to make these changes. Click on the Settings tab located near the top of the page. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Rulesets and click on it. Now, click the green Create Ruleset button. Start by giving your ruleset a descriptive name like coding standards. Next, define the target branches this ruleset will apply to. Now, it's time to add the rules themselves. Click Add Rule and explore the options. For example, if you select Require Pull Request Reviews, you can specify the number of required reviewers. For branch naming conventions, you can use regular expressions to enforce a specific format. You can also specify regex patterns for commit messages. Once you've configured all your desired rules, click the Update Ruleset button to save your changes. Your ruleset is now active. If a pull request violates any of the rules, it will be flagged. Congratulations, you've successfully set up rules in your GitHub organization.